If your company is running email marketing campaigns and you wish you had better insights into the analytics of how your emails are performing, you're not alone. We spoke to hundreds of marketing specialists and put together some of the very best Google Sheets and Excel templates that connect to live marketing data sources, including MailChimp and HubSpot. These free Google Sheets and Excel templates make it easier than ever to track your email and other marketing KPI performance. Let's take a look at one of our most popular MailChimp templates. As you can see, this free template will give us a nice view into some of our core MailChimp KPIs. Just drop your email and click Get Free Template to save a copy on your own Google Drive. And there's our new dashboard. At the top, we have a few high-level KPIs, and then we have two charts that show a breakdown of your top 10 campaigns by total clicks, as well as top 10 campaigns by your actual click rate. To make this dashboard even more powerful, we can set up automatic data refresh. So whether we're working or not that day, this dashboard will stay live with real-time MailChimp data. Simply open Coefficient from the top extensions menu. And there we go. We can see this MailChimp import was last refreshed earlier today, but let's set up an automatic refresh schedule. I'm going to say I want this to refresh every hour so this dashboard is as live as possible. I'll click Apply Schedule, and there we go. Now, if I want to make this even more powerful, I can take it a step further and set up automated alerts so I'm notified in real time if there are important changes. We'll go to Automations and click Create New. We'll be able to send alerts either to email or Slack. In this case, let's set up a weekly screenshot alert so that we can get a snapshot view of this entire dashboard sent to our marketing channel every Monday at 8 a.m. to show our current progress on our email campaigns. We'll say we want an image file sent of this entire dashboard, but I could also choose a more narrow range, like just one chart or a few of these KPIs. And we'll ask for this to be sent weekly on Mondays at 9 a.m. Click Next. I can have this sent to email, but I'm also going to put it in our marketing channel so that the entire team is aware of what's going on with our email. And it's just as easy as that. I hope you'll enjoy checking out all of our free marketing templates for spreadsheet enthusiasts.